Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So today I'm here looking at a Keystone Springdale, and it's a 295BH for bunkhouse. I'm just popping in on my guys. They're actually doing some repair work and figuring out what's going on with this refrigerator, but some things I wanted to talk about and show you. So whenever you take this door off, this is your exterior outside service access door. It's a lot to say, right? Anyways, if you open this up and you see any flakes or ash like that, that is soot, just like you would have. This area over here is the chimney, and that soots up from the use of using it on propane, so just like a chimney would. So as that ash will also turn into rust and flakes, and that'll drop down, and there's basically little lines. If we've all seen like your barbecue on the burner, there's little holes where let the flame come out through it like that. That will actually fall down, block that off, cause it to misburn, as well as cause it to almost melt itself, if it's the metal flakes, to the actual burner, or it will also cause a flake to drop off and go to ground on the electrode, which is now making contact with the burner. So if you've never pulled this apart to get back in here to clean out your burner, there's also another cover with a set screw. Check out our other videos and articles so you can see more pictures of like in depth of what we do to them. But this is part of doing a refrigerator service. Again, this one's a Dometic refrigerator. And if you, other things that we talked about earlier was somebody had tightened this nut on this LP line, and they actually bent that bracket. So I don't know if you can see where they basically tweaked that. And when they tweaked that, that throws off everything back here inside in the corner. It throws that off. So now it could cause it to not also to burn correctly as well. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna go ahead and take care of that while he's in here, because he noted it down and told us about it. But there was some other issues too. I guess this gentleman was messing around or doing something with the fan, or was having some kind of temperature issues. And so he came in and tore apart the 110 outlet, broke a piece off of it, left the back off of it, the plate off of it. So if you've seen in different videos or articles or pictures that I've written, or even photos in our Facebook groups. So in all of our Facebook groups, we have photo albums, and I try to put them in pictures and stuff in there as much as possible. But this is the back cover of that 110 volt outlet. And so right now that all those wires are currently exposed. And so think of it as like open wires that is in the back of a junction box with no junction box. So it's just like you slapped in an outlet and have the wires exposed. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up, figure out what's going on with it so we can call back the customer and see what we need to do to it. But I just wanted to throw a couple things out there, information tidbits for you, so you can kind of learn more about our industry and things that we come across and things to maintenance. So again, make sure you're servicing your refrigerator. We recommend, depending upon how much you use it. You know, if you're only going camping 2, 3, 4 times a year, you know, obviously you could go probably every 2 years. But if you're using it all the time on propane, that's a service that you want to have done. When we do that, we're checking all the safety issues. So there's like a heat thermal cutoff back here. There's a temperature sensor cutoff back here for the burner chamber. We're checking voltages at the 110 volt line to make sure that the heating element's doing what it's supposed to do. Cleaning and servicing the orifice, the burner, the electrode, blowing out the back, making sure that all the sealants are good, making sure that we don't see any ammonia leaks, checking all of our positive and negative connections, making sure that connections to those gas solenoids and to the grounds and to the PC boards and stuff like that are good. We're also doing, you know, visual inside, making sure that the lights work, that the handles and stuff aren't broken, and that kind of fun stuff. So anyway, stay tuned for more. Check out, you know, our other videos on refrigerators, where I go through and I talk about basically like what you see on our service menu versus what we actually do. So I talk about bullet points, like, hey, we hit these 5, 6 main bullet points. Well, there's a lot more than that we do when we're doing that service. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. And this is Dustin, California RV Specialist, but known on YouTube as your RV Specialist. Thanks so much for watching.